Morning students. Today Geography Unit 5 India Population, Transport, Communication and Trade. In this lesson today I am going to see classification of roads in India. The roads were classified into different types. First one is national highways. National highways is one of the important roadways in our country, in India. The national highway connecting the important places like state capitals, links in state capitals, and important ports. Port means harbour. Important harbour area, ports, and important railway junctions. It connects the railway junctions. National highway. National highway links with industrial areas, industrial cities, and tourist centers. These places, the national highway connects. The roadways links with one place to another. The Ministry of Road Transport look after the national highways in our country. Look after the national highways. The development of national highways mainly cured by the Ministry of Road Transport. NH44, the longest national highway is NH44. It links with Kashi or Varanasi to Kanyakumari. Kashi, Varanasi to Kanyakumari. Kashi in Uttar Pradesh to Kanyakumari. And this is the longest national highway in our country. It distances covered 2,369 kilometers. 2,369 kilometers. 2,369 kilometers it covers. The longest national highway. Kashi to Kanyakumari. Varanasi to Kanyakumari. The shortest national highway is NH47A. NH47A considered as shortest national highway in our country. It covers the area of 6 kilometers only. 6 kilometers. The shortest national highway from Ernakulam to Kochi in Kerala. The shortest national highway links with Ernakulam to Kochi. Note it, students. State highway. The state highways links with the important cities and taluks. Important cities and towns and district headquarters. The main district headquarters also, it links state highways links. The roads were laid in these areas. Links in important cities, towns and district headquarters. The state highway administered by the state government. State government only administered the state highways. And finance also looked after by the state government only. All the road facilities were made by state government. District roads. District roads links with the important mainly the taluk headquarters. The taluk headquarters. and maintain. These are the district roads were maintained by the PWD. PWD means Public Works Department. Public Works Department only look after the district roads. District roads. It connects with all the districts and also taluk headquarters. Taluk headquarters. It connects. Note it, students. Next, rural roads. The rural roads, the rural areas are mostly the remote area. Also nowadays the road facilities is there. The government of each and every state government look after the remote areas also. Remote areas also lay the roadways nowadays. The rural roads connects the, particularly the village areas. Village areas covered by the government. The villages and links with the towns. From village to towns. The roadways were, rural roads were maintained. The rural roads were maintained by the Panchayat Union. Panchayat Union only look after the rural roads. Rural means village. Village roads were looked after by the Panchayat Union. Border roads. Border roads were one of the strategic important. Strategic means what? Importance of war. Importance of war places like that. The strategic importance border roads. The border roads maintained by the BRO. Border Road Organization. BRO. Border Road Organization only maintained the border roads. The border roads established in 1960. 1960 only border roads were established. And the border roads joining with the in India, Chandigarh and Leh Ladakh. Chandigarh and Leh Ladakh. Border roads were laid. The links with the joining with the Chandigarh and Leh Ladakh. The average altitude of the border roads is 4,270 meters. Altitude means height, like mountainous area. Also covered the border roads. The 4,270 meters were laid the border roads like that. Note it. Golden Quadrilateral. Golden Quadrilateral project was launched in 1999. The Golden Quadrilateral were Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata. This is known as border roads. Sorry, Golden Quadrilateral. Golden Quadrilateral. The Golden Quadrilateral links with Chennai to Mumbai, Chennai to Mumbai, Mumbai to Delhi, Delhi to Kolkata, again Kolkata to Chennai. This is known as Golden Quadrilateral. Golden Quadrilateral. Chennai, important cities like Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata. This is Delhi. Delhi. This is Kolkata. This is Chennai. This one is Mumbai. These are all these cities, important metropolitan cities, were known as Golden Quadrilateral. Metropolitan cities. Population were very high in these cities like that. These metropolitan cities were known as Golden Quadrilateral. North, South and East, West corridor. North, South. North, Srinagar is here. Srinagar. North, South corridor. Srinagar is in north and Kanyakumari is in south. Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari. This is Srinagar. Srinagar. Srinagar is in north and Kanyakumari is in south. This is known as North-South corridor. north-south corridor. Srinagar is in north and Kanyakumari is in south. North-south corridor. And east-west corridor. East-west corridor. In east, here Assam is there. Silchar in Assam. Silchar in Assam. From Silchar in Assam and south, Porbandar. Porbandar is here in Gujarat. Porbandar is in Gujarat. So, east-west corridor. Silchar in Assam to Porbandar in Gujarat. Western side, Porbandar. Eastern side, Silchar in Assam. From Silchar to Porbandar, known as east-west corridor. East-west corridor. Note it, students. And the north-south corridor, totally the distance of 4,076 kilometers. And the east-west corridor, the distance covered 3,640 kilometers. Note it. Expressways. Expressways were one of the high quality road, were known as expressway. High quality road maintained by the government. Expressways. And particularly in India, expressways were very fine quality roads. It is linked with Mumbai to Pune. Expressways is that. And Kolkata to Dum Dum. Kolkata to Dum Dum, Air Force area. And Durgapur to Kolkata. Durgapur to Kolkata. Expressways were laid. And Delhi and Agra were maintained by the government of India. The expressways were links one place to another, like Mumbai to Pune, Kolkata to Dum Dum, Durgapur to Kolkata, and Delhi and Agra. They way the expressways were, road links were made. International highways. International, in India, the international highways were maintained by our Indian government, particularly the neighboring countries. The roads were linked with the neighboring countries, like Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar. And these neighboring areas, neighboring countries also connected the international highways. For maintaining the good relationship, they laid the roadways in other neighboring countries also. Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Bhutan also here. Bhutan also. They laid the roadways for the neighboring countries also. Noted. Aid from these neighboring countries, the international highways, aid from World Bank came forward and aid were provided. Aids were provided to the international highways like that. SK, Economic, Social Commission for Asia Pacific. Commission for Asia Pacific is one of the international organization, and it is maintained by the SK, and aid also provided to from the SK, Economic Social Commission for Asia Pacific. Noted. Listen here, students. Once again, I am going to recall. Classification of the roads in India. National highways. National highways is one of the important highways in our country. It is connecting with the state capitals, ports, railway junctions, industrial areas, and also tourist centers. Industrial centers and also tourist centers. The Ministry of Road Transport maintain and development of the roadways, national highways in our country. The NH44 is the longest national highway from Kashi to Kanyakumari, distance of 2369 kilometer. And NH47 is the shortest national highway. 47A, NH47A is the shortest national highway in our country. Particularly in Kerala, Ernakulam to Kochi is the shortest national highway in our country, and totally the distance covered 6 kilometers. And state highway. State highway links with the cities, towns and district headquarters. State highway. And state highways were administered by the state government. Note it. The district roads. District roads link with the districts headquarters and taluk headquarters. District headquarters and taluk headquarters. District roads were maintained by the PWD, Public Works Department. Note it. Rural roads. The rural roads were links with the one village to another village and towns also. It connect with the towns, village to towns. And it was the rural roads were maintained by the Panchayat Union. Border roads. Border roads is one of the strategic importance of war, and maintained by the BRO, Border Road Organization. It is established in 1960. 1960 it was established. It is established, and road joining with the border roads joining with the Chandigarh and Leh Ladakh. The average altitude is maintained by the government 4,270 meters altitude. Also lay the border roads. Golden Quadrilateral. The Golden Quadrilateral project was launched in 1999. The Golden Quadrilateral cities were Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata. This is known as Golden Quadrilateral. Already told you. Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata. And these Golden Quadrilateral project were launched in 1999. Note it. Next, North, South and East, West corridor. North, Srinagar and South Kanyakumari. The North, South corridor. North, Srinagar and South Kanyakumari. The links with from North, South corridor. And East, West corridor. Silchar in Assam to Porbandar in Gujarat. Note it. And North, South corridor. Distance of 4,076 kilometer, and East-West corridor distance of 3,640 kilometer. 3,640 kilometer. Expressways. Expressways is one of the good quality road maintained by the Indian government, and particularly the Mumbai to Pune, the expressways express road were linked. And Kolkata to Dum airport area, these also the expressways were laid. It is one of the fine quality road, and the fastest means of transport. It goes in these roadways. And Durgapur to Kolkata and Delhi and Agra. These areas links with the expressways. International highways. International highways is one of the important roadways in our country. It is mainly India maintain the relationship with the neighboring countries. That's why the roads were links with the neighboring countries also. International highways also connect one country to another. Particularly Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. In these neighboring countries, India maintained the roadways for maintaining the relationship with the other neighboring countries. That's why the international highways were maintained by our country. These international highways maintained for maintenance purpose, aid were provided by the World Bank. The ESCAP, Economic Social Commission for Asia Pacific, look after the international highways. Note it, students. Okay then, see you tomorrow, students.